What's up, guys? Today we're gonna show you how we turn this into this. We're gonna go through the steps of how to do it, have fun with it. We're gonna jump right into making this, so let's get to it. All right, we're gonna cut out the base using the CNC machine. I got the program already up. It's Carbide Motion from Carbide 3D. I've already done the computer work that's cut out on the laser, but if you don't have a CNC, you can also use a bandsaw. All right, here we go. Gonna start cutting out the base. All right, we got the base. Now we got to paint it white. All right, we got it white. Now to the next step. All right, now we have the design in the computer. So we're going to set this blue jackets part to fill, which is engraved. And we're going to set the blue to cut. So that'll cut out. And then once we do that, we're going to hit the engrave. We're going to put it up top. We'll let it engrave first, and then we're going to hit start. All right, so we have a name we're going to put on this a little bit later. So this middle part here, I'm going to take, and I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to use that as my template. When I go to glue or nail the name onto the plaque, I can line that up perfectly with the base. Real quick tip, yes, I got this on a piece of wood. These are small letters. If it's a windy day, or if sometimes the spray paint just blows them, you can also put these on a piece of tape, individually, and spray them that way. Or sometimes I like to take a little bit of spray adhesive, spray on this, and just lay them down. That way, they don't blow away on you. Quick laser tip. I buy these at Harbor Freight for, I think they're $1.99 magnets. I use those so I can line up my wood. Then if I have to, hopefully it won't move. Also, if it's a little bowed, you can sometimes put that down there, and it'll help out. If you need more wood, you put more wood, and it'll keep it from being bowed. I also like to try to maximize as much as possible wood-wise, so I have less scrap. All right, we got the pieces. We're gonna put it together to have a finished product like that one. Oh, you just get yourself? Yep. So I like using this pin nailer from Harbor Freight. It's like this pin nailer from Harbor Freight. It uses 25 gauge nails. It's really small. You can't really see them.
Or film.
I told you we was going to use these as a template. So here's what I do. I come through here, I put that in, and then all I'm going to do is put these right where they go. Sometimes the paint gets built up, so you got to work with them a little bit. And I'll nail these on. Now, there is some other stuff that you can use that's double-sided sheets. I do have some that, but these are a little big for the double-sided sheets, so I don't use it. I get them from Amazon. This is them right here. They work on really good on smaller projects. All right, so once I get that going down, I'll come in here. I'll nail 2 in the big ones, and I'll just put usually about 1 or 2 in the little ones, depending on how big the once that's done, we'll just pull this out.
When you pull that out, don't pick that up yet.
What do you mean? All right, and then it's done.
All right, so these are the 2 finished products that we came up with today in this video. We've done both of these for 2 different schools, but we can also do custom orders and basically customize anything that you'd like. Other than that, really cool. Turned out really great. 2 different color tones. We can do pretty much any color as well. So any type of sign that you'd like, any type of colorway, we can do that. So thank you for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you can keep up with all the DIY videos that we come out with, because we have all kinds of things that we do. We have these, we have other signs, we have hats, t-shirts, whatever you can think of, we do it. So thank you for watching.